Hi you all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today you all, we have an exciting video. Today is all about this newly released product, the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Contour. This baby just recently dropped and you all know that I had to get my hands on it. This liquid contour has been the talk of the town. You all know Rare Beauty doesn't come to play. And I picked her up from my local Sephora. So if you guys are interested to hear my thoughts on this new product, first impressions, demo, and review, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, please be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram at iamSimoneC, same as my YouTube channel. Let's jump right into it. As discussed in the intro, today we are testing and reviewing the newly released Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Contour. I had to get this, it recently dropped, okay? Standard, beautiful, Rare Beauty packaging, gold top, the ball included. Super cute. This retails for $28 and it is a 0.5 ounce container. She comes in 7 shades. I picked up my shade in Tranquil. All 7 shades include cool tones to make and create shadows. It claims to have a natural finish, which is blendable and streak free. So we're going to jump right into applying my Hourglass concealers. First, starting with the shade Teak. So Teak is my skin tone shade. I did it over the lip, up the cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. Next, taking Maple. Just a little bit midway under the eyes, like so. And then lastly, taking Flex. So we're gonna let this sit a little bit and then we'll be right back. Now let's begin to blend these all in. So again, we're just blending everything in the order that we applied it, okay? So dark to light. Okay, so now that all my concealer is blended, let's get into the part that we all been waiting for. We're going to apply a few dots on the right side of the face. Just like so, and down the side of the bridge of my nose, okay? Just a little bit. So far, I love the shade, but it is scary. Taking a brush, we're gonna blend that all out. Okay, so far I like that. It's adding definitely shadows and cool tones. I like that. Just blending downward and upward into the concealer. And I'm gonna kind of squeeze the brush for the bridge of my nose. That is so pretty. It looks so natural. Oh my goodness. I'm very pleased. Okay, Rare Beauty, I see you. Nice and blended. We're back. Everything is blended oh so nicely. I am obsessed with the finish of this. Okay, very natural. Very natural. You can't even tell that I applied some type of makeup contour. It's giving natural existing shadows. Love it. Love it. Now it's time to add our final shade of concealer in the shade Beach. Right under the eye. This is a little bit lighter for brightening purposes. And a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Just like so. And we're going to blend that right out, starting with the nose. And look how that just made the contour pop even more, okay? Love it. And a little bit into the forehead of blending. Now blending under the eyes. Since we're speaking of Rare Beauty today, let's add a little bit of her liquid blush in the shade Joy. Adding a tad bit more concealer so that we have something to blend into the blush. Taking a sponge to blend all that blush out. Super pretty that I want to add more. Why not? Same thing on the other side. Adding another 4 dots. Time to blend the rest of the concealer. Taking a powder puff and the Onesize setting powder. This is the shade Sweet Honey. We're going to set everything in place. Just setting all the places we apply concealer. Taking the Onesize bronzer powder, we're going to set the liquid contour into place. Same thing down the bridge of the nose, set it in place. And I'm just adding some powder again to sharpen that a little bit. Taking my Fenty Beauty face powder. And we're just dusting away the loose setting powder with this. Next, taking my Nars Blush. We're gonna set the liquid blush into place. Okay, so my base is looking flawless, alright? So yes, y'all, this is the final look of the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Contour. What do you all think? I think Tranquil is the perfect shade for me, okay? This is a dark skinned girl's best friend. It created the perfect shadows for my skin tone and complexion. No streaks, so it held up to that claim, and so easy to blend. It was like blending out some type of mousse, but even better. I'm so happy and excited to be adding this to my makeup collection. Okay, I cannot wait to throw it in my makeup bag. This formula is perfect for your lighter days of makeup application and your phobic days as well. She is totally worth the hype and the price. Don't walk, run out and grab her. So please let me know, have you heard of this new release? Do you plan to pick her up? Let me know, let me know. Let's get a conversation going down below as always. Always, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and your family, and you all, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.